Ever wondered if your garden could be more than just a visual treat? Welcome to the innovative world of edible landscaping, a concept that marries aesthetics with functionality. Edible landscaping invites you to cultivate a garden that doesn't just soothe your eyes, but also caters to your kitchen needs. It's a fantastic way to promote sustainability and self-sufficiency, allowing you to enjoy the fruits of your labor quite literally. Imagine stepping into your backyard to pick fresh ingredients for your meals. Now, you might be thinking, how do I start? The first step is choosing the right plants. It's crucial to consider factors like your local climate, the type of soil in your garden, and how much sunlight your space gets. But remember, we're not just creating a vegetable plot. We're crafting a living, breathing masterpiece. So it's important to select plants that are not only edible, but also pleasing to the eyes. Remember, your garden should be a feast for the eyes and the palate. With your plants picked out, it's time to get creative. Designing an edible landscape is like painting with nature's palette. Consider the various sizes, shapes, and colors of your selected plants to create a visually appealing layout. Think of tall, leafy greens as your backdrop, colorful fruits as your focal points, and ground-covering herbs as your canvas. Don't forget to incorporate walking paths and seating areas, creating not just a garden, but a comfortable and inviting living space. Design your garden as a place to relax, explore, and of course eat. Now that you have your edible landscape, why not share the joy? There's something incredibly satisfying about cultivating your own food, watching it bloom from seed to harvest. And it's even more gratifying when you get to share this journey with others. Whether you're swapping tips, exchanging harvests, or simply enjoying a meal together, there's a unique sense of community that comes with edible landscaping. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your edible landscaping journey with us. Happy gardening!